I'm Kip Hakes from kiphakes.tv, and I am unboxing something today. And I'm unboxing this. There you go. It is the PSA1 studio arm from those magicians at RØDE. There we go. So we've got the RØDE PSA1 studio arm right there. And what we're going to do is unbox it. Now, I actually already have one of these. Look, there it is. This is the one I've got, but I want two. So I ordered another one. And because I didn't do an unboxing for the last one, I thought I'd unbox this one for you. So, yeah, we can have a little look at what's inside the box. And hopefully, you know, you can see what's going on. So let me slide it out. And we can take a look inside. Okay, so this is the arm itself. Because it's sprung loaded, it's got like a little thing wrapped around it. So because like once you unthing it, it just goes. So you have to be really careful when you're getting it out, okay? Not like that, obviously. Okay, what else do we have in the box? Okay, so in the box here we have, this is the sort of important part. Now you've got two ways of mounting this to your desk or your workstation. You've got this clampy thing, which has got the RØDE thing, and you just basically spin that down and open it up as wide as you like to get on your desk. Now, I would say that that would fit on the thickest of desks. So yeah, that's what I use to hold my microphone in place. And the good thing is you can take the arm out. So when it's not in use, which I will probably do because this second arm is just going to be for when James is streaming with me, I'm just going to take the arm out and it's just tidied away basically. So that's good. But obviously you can't mount it upside down because it would just fall out. There's nothing holding it in to the base apart from gravity, basically. Right. But there is a secondary option for mounting. Right, there we go. Oh, hang on. Okay, so this is the second way of mounting the arm. This is a mount where you have to make a big hole in your desk. I would say that's about 1.5 centimeters. So you need like a big hole cutter for that. So you just slide it down into the desk and then tighten it up on the other side, and that is how you can fix it another way. Unfortunately, because this is an IKEA worktop, I reckon the inside of it is actually quite hollow. So I probably won't drill into my desk because I think that will ruin it. Right, well, I've got it all out of the box now, so that's all good. Everything seems to be present and correct. So what's left for me to do now is take it out of the packaging. So as I said earlier, this is like sprung loaded, so you've got to be super careful. You know, you don't want it like firing off in your face. Lovely stuff. So that is the arm all folded up. So this end obviously goes into the desk mount, whichever one you use. And also, I love the fact that it comes with cable management. So it's got these little Velcro things on there, which are perfect. So right, I'm going to undo this bit of paper here, which is acting like a sort of compression thing to hold back the springiness. Again, probably should have scissors. Here we go. There we go. Right. There's the spring. And there we go. So this is the end that your microphone goes onto. Obviously, your microphone will come with a different head depending on what microphone it is, but that is just like a standard screw thread. And then you just put the adapter on there that I showed you earlier. So let me put that in the arm on the desk. And there we go, look. Double arm. Now, because there's no weight on there of the microphone at the moment, it will just fly. But once it's got a microphone on there, it will stay in position. It's just because the spring is just so strong, it's just sending it flying, basically. So yeah, that is the arm all done. So there we go. I've screwed on a microphone. And that's my spare microphone. And that sort of shows you how it all works. Super straightforward. And obviously now, because it's got a weight on it, it stays in place. Let me move that out of the way. So anyway, that is the RØDE PSA1 microphone arm. I love them very much. I think they're great arms. And yeah, we've got 2 arms now, which is perfect. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!